Hey fish, you know it's a full moon and it's got color and the buildings are blocking you. I got with me is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and mic gear. I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the DJI Mic 2, and we're going to be testing out the Boya Magic. First things first, let's go get the moon. We come down to the end and see the moon. The moon shot, nice and powerful and full with both cameras, and you decide which one you like. This is a shot that we need to get right now before it gets brighter. As we're down towards where we need to be at, the best shot has been taken. You can set up flat color and color grade all you want to get that shot. This is the Boya Magic. 2 microphones. One is on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with a Bluetooth receiver, and the other is on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Bluetooth receiver. I have, yes, lost my mic, bought a mic, and here we are with a USB-C only. I can probably take it and use it in the case, either microphone. The one that I could put in the case will be the DJI Osmo Action 5 microphone, and that would be this particular one. You're gonna hear my hands just ruffle with the mic. Probably would have to peer if I picked the wrong microphone. No, it turned on and we're able to use. And now I'm able to use it as a handheld mic. And you can hear the pigeons cooing in the shot. If I don't want to hear them cooing in the shot, I simply just press this button once and it turns to green. I can't see on the Bluetooth mic which one turned green, but this one stayed blue. It's only fair to turn the other one green as well. And now you have both artificial noise canceling at 700,000 samples. How sweet is that? Now, I don't have to be far. Now, people are holding microphones like this and talking and showing and sharing and all. And that's the fad back in 2024 and still doing it in 2025. You may think it's cute. It may look distracting, and it all depends on how you do it. Well, I'm happy. Noise canceling may not be what everybody wants. You want to be able to grab all the sound and the quality. Well, the thing is, you're going to want me to do the mic ear with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the DJI Mic 2 and do a test 1, 2, 3. Well, with the DJI Mic 2 and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, I'll do that for you. This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Internal audio only. The microphone is not on. Now what we're going to do is turn the mic on. We're going to press. It takes a couple of seconds, 4 seconds to be exact, from the camera being off and on. And we have the DJI Mic 2 on. We have the 2 dongles. And I want to just put this back on to the camera, and I have to reset up both dongles to go for it. The microphone's off, and this fits in the case if you did not know that. The Boya is not perfect. These lights will stay on for a number of minutes, even when charging the microphone, and they don't shut off. I could take this and plug it in. And I'm not sure if it's going to bypass the DJI Mic 2. But let's hook this up and do the DJI Mic 2 and shut this off. While plugging in with the stick, and we are connected, one microphone, the top microphone, because it's in the port. And you won't be able to see it. It's kind of a, not a flaw, not a defect, craftsmanship, where they didn't make a little notch to see more of the light and put like a little piece of plastic curling up so you can see it. If I take this mic out, it's automatically connected. Turns on just like that, and we got two microphones connected. And that is the Boya Magic. You can hand hold it, put it on a lanyard strap, make yourself, clip onto the shirt, the magnet that's on it, magnet to the shirt, and more. Put it in there, the microphone disconnects, this one connects. If I want to go noise canceling, which I didn't do with the DJI Mic 2, I press on the thing once for noise canceling. And that is the test for the DJI Mic 2. I'm going to have to sit here and set up for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and we'll do that next. This is the Insta360 Mic Air. We're not connected yet. We are going to show you the size difference. Man, let me tell you, this is a little longer. It's the same width and definitely a lot smaller than the DJI Mic 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set up for the Mic Air. So you have a sample shot of the camera itself as is. Now the Mic Air. We're on the DJI Mic Air, no noise canceling. It's on blue, and we could change it over to green. I'm not going to redo over the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro so you can hear noise canceling, but you'll heard what it looks like, and I'll do a sample shot and I'll add it into the video after I finish this. Double press, 1, 2, a little hard to do because if you got that rubber case on with the mic muff, you're not going to know which side to press, and you can press it. I could disconnect it from the pendulum and I could hold it and talk, and there you go. It does a nice job. So the next test we're going to do now is the Boya Magic with regular and artificial noise canceling. But all we got to do is just put this piece in and set it up. I'm still on the Mic Air. What I want to do is turn on with the Bluetooth and see if it connects. And then I have to see if I can connect it via Bluetooth without the receiver. And I have to go and look at the back of the camera. So hold on 1 second. Let me see if it's on blue. And I personally can't see it because of the sun's in my eyes. So maybe I'll just take my camera and do one of these. I don't see it on blue. So let me shut off the mic. And this is a test to see if it... So I'm sitting here and I'm talking to you. And when I disconnected the mic, the camera stopped. And we are on the both mics and simply hit the button here. Now we're on artificial noise canceling, just like that. The only test I need to do here is see if I could Bluetooth this together, and that I would have to take my time and look at it to see if I can do that. So there you have a number of tests with the Boya Magic Insta360. And you hear the subway train going now? It was going in the background before. So let's see if I could, maybe pair this up without the dongle. Now, let me just tell you this before I hang up. Don't lose this. This is everything. Put it in your front pocket, make sure it stays in there. Keep it with you at all times. If you lose this, you're going to have to buy a new one. The whole kit, that is, USB-C or Lightning. And the sale is 36% off of retail price over at Amazon. Or you could still get the last minute deal and save $7 and wait 8 days for shipping. Your choice. I'm all packed away. And this is not a strong magnet at all. It's weak. And this is stronger. And it's going in my pocket so I don't lose anything. That's where it's going to stay. And that's where the DJI Osmo Action 5 is going to stay. And we're just going to finish up, get on out, and go on back with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And on that note, have a great day. Well, I am Fish. I hope you enjoyed the review, the talk, the share, the show. And we have here, which is just directly not a Bluetooth microphone, because you need to have a Bluetooth receiver. If you don't have that receiver, it won't connect. It automatically connects to the DJI and the Insta360 series cameras. It just won't connect with the little mic. And that's common sense. But we had to try it out for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you could post down below and your thoughts about it. Man, there's always going to be one out there. Have a great day. I'll catch you on the next video.